Hey everybody, Dan Gorfinkle with eXp Realty. Hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, listen to me every single week, week in and week out. I'll be bringing you my best stuff. I've finally decided to shift gears and talk to you guys directly, the buyers and the sellers of the world, with regard to residential real estate. Previously was talking to realtors, and I'm shifting gears and talking to you guys who are looking to buy and sell properties. And what a better way to start than talking about just people who are brand new to the process, brand new to looking at homes and considering that first property. And what does it take to get a property, right? I mean, it feels so unnerving. It feels so overwhelming. There's so much information out there. And obviously I've always started things off by having what's called a kickoff meeting. I either meet with you over Zoom, have a phone call, or meet in person, grab a coffee, and talk about the process. There's a lot to it. There's so much that goes on during the buying process. It's the most important decision, financial lives perhaps, and there's so much to talk about. What I do is I very much break this down into bite-sized pieces, talk about step by step. The first step is obviously looking at properties, going out and touring different homes. You know, you have to kind of rein things in terms of location. You want to make sure that you're not all over the place, looking at various towns within greater Boston. That's all well and good, but eventually you want to rein things in. I've always had this adage, which is like, it's a process of elimination more than selection, and that's really true. You want to make sure that you're going ahead and seeing some places, checking out various neighborhoods, but over the span of a very short period of time, you want to rein things in. It's very easy to weed things out when you're looking at your budget, and if you have a budget of, let's say, $500,000 or $750,000, it's not going to get you a place in certain areas, or it may be over budget for other areas. So you want to kind of be right in the middle. You don't want to be the biggest fish in the pond, but you want to know what's out there. You want to know the markets. And obviously for someone like myself, I'm happy to educate you on the markets and talk things through from a very logical step-by-step approach, seeing properties first, and then secondarily going through the motions as far as what does it take to submit an offer, what are the process or the elements of the offer, all very important stuff. So this is kind of just like a part one to the steps of buying a home. Be sure to tune in soon for step 2. Dan Gorfinkle, eXp Realty, 617-820-8085. Thanks.